We are so pleased that you could join us today. We've got some really exciting product announcements to share with you.
This is the new Apple Watch Series 6, the perfect combination of powerful features and beautiful design. Series 6 is our most colorful lineup ever. There's a new blue aluminum case, this updated classic gold stainless steel finish, a new gray-black stainless steel called graphite, and for the first time, a stunning new Apple Watch product red. Now on the inside, Series 6 is packed with incredible technology, including a new health sensor that enables an amazing new capability. The new health sensor in Series 6 shines red and infrared light onto your wrist and measures the amount of light reflected back. Advanced algorithms use this data to calculate the color of your blood, which indicates the amount of oxygen present. The new blood oxygen app lets you take a measurement in just 15 seconds. And Series 6 also captures periodic background readings and stores them in your Health app. So if you wear your Apple Watch to bed, it can record background measurements while you sleep. Inside Series 6 is our 6th generation system in package. It's a purpose-built design that's absolutely unique in the industry. It includes a high-performance dual-core processor based on the A13 Bionic in iPhone 11, but optimized for Apple Watch. The S6 is up to 20% faster than the previous generation. Series 6 has an even better always-on display. Now it's 2.5 times brighter outdoors when your wrist is down. Series 6 also features a new always-on altimeter that provides continuous elevation throughout the day. Now let's talk about watch faces.
The GMT face shows multiple time zones at once and takes into account where you are. The Count Up face lets you start tracking elapsed time from any given point. And inspired by classic racing watches, the Chronograph Pro face features multiple time scales, including a tachymeter to measure speed based on time traveled over a set distance. In the Typograph face, numerals can be displayed in 3 custom type styles and 4 different scripts. Every combination is tailored to fit the face perfectly. We also collaborated with the artist Jeff McFetridge to create a unique piece of art for your watch. There are millions of combinations, and a different one animates when you raise your wrist. The Memoji face brings your favorite Memoji to your watch. Each one moves and reacts to your touch. And with the Stripes face, you can show your pride in who you are, support your favorite team, or even match what you're wearing.
In watchOS 7, we also gave developers new tools to build even more specialized watch faces. So if you're into surfing, there's a watch face for that, with apps like Dawn Patrol to check surf conditions. Or if you're into photography, there's a watch face for that, with apps like Lumi to help you track the sun's position. Or if you're a healthcare provider, there's a watch face for that, with apps like Notable to see your upcoming appointments. The Solo Loop is remarkably simple. No clasp, no buckle, no overlapping parts, just one continuous piece. Made from custom liquid silicone, the Solo Loop is stretchable so you can easily slip it on and off your wrist. It's available in a range of sizes so you can find your most comfortable fit. And it comes in 7 fantastic colors. We did another version called the Braided Solo Loop. It's made from 100% recycled yarn that's meticulously braided with ultra-thin silicone threads, and it will be available in 5 colors.
Apple Watch is essential for staying connected to those you love, whether that's a child or an older adult. Right now, Apple Watch needs to pair with an iPhone, which is something they might not have. This is why we're excited to introduce Family Setup. With Family Setup, you can use your iPhone to pair watches for your children or older members in your household who don't have their own phones. And they will have their own phone number and account. You can specify which contacts your kids can communicate with when using messages and more. And you can set up automatic location notifications.
The second thing we're doing to make Apple Watch available to even more people is to create a new model that combines elements of Series 6 design with the most essential features of Apple Watch, all at a more affordable price. We call it Apple Watch SE. And like Series 6, Apple Watch SE uses our largest and most advanced watch display. And for fast access to information and apps, Apple Watch SE uses the S5 chip for up to 2 times faster performance than Series 3. With all of these features and more, including the new capabilities in watchOS 7, We think Apple Watch SE will be the perfect watch for many new customers. Apple Watch SE starts at just $279. In addition, we're announcing Apple Card financing for Apple Watch so customers can easily pay across 24 monthly payments. Apple Watch Series 6 with the breakthrough new blood oxygen sensor starts at just $399. You can order both today, and availability starts this Friday.
Introducing Apple Fitness Plus, a new service for Apple Watch designed to inspire you to get fit and stay fit. The entire Fitness Plus experience is powered by the Apple Watch in some really cool ways. With Fitness Plus, you simply choose the workout you want to do from the catalog of videos on your iPhone, iPad, or Apple TV. And when you start the video, it automatically starts the correct workout in your Apple Watch workout app. And it sends those metrics in real time right to the screen you're viewing the workout. So you have all of your data on your wrist and on the screen in front of you. And your metrics come to life to keep you motivated. All of that data captured from your watch's sensors is shown right on the summary screen. They're all located inside the fitness app on the iPhone, right in the center tab. And you can access the same workouts from the new fitness app on your iPad and Apple TV. The price is $9.99 per month or just $79.99 for a whole year. And your family will also be able to enjoy Fitness Plus for no additional charge. Fitness Plus will be available in these countries at launch. The service will be available before the end of the year. And for those purchasing a new Apple Watch, you get Fitness Plus free for 3 months to help make 2021 your fittest and healthiest year ever.
Apple One gives you and your family all the services you love in one simple plan, starting with the individual plan, which offers the best of entertainment, including Apple Music, Apple TV+, Apple Arcade, plus 50 gigabytes of iCloud. The family plan lets you share all these services with up to 5 members of your family, plus 200 gigabytes of iCloud. And in countries where available, there's Premier, which adds Apple News Plus, Apple Fitness Plus, and a massive 2 terabytes of iCloud. Apple One will be available this fall, and it includes 30 days free, so you can try any of the services you don't already have.
Users love our iPad 7th generation because it delivers a beautiful 10.2-inch Retina display with support for Apple Pencil and the full-size Smart Keyboard, all in a thin, light, and affordable design. So this year, we're taking its beloved design and cranking up the performance. The new iPad 8th generation. It's more capable than ever, and it starts with the A12 Bionic. This chip is a powerhouse. It features a powerful CPU and super fast GPU. Compared to the already fast chip in last year's iPad, it has a 40% faster CPU and delivers a massive 2 times jump in graphics. This new iPad with the A12 Bionic is up to 2 times faster than the top-selling Windows laptop. It's up to 3 times faster than the top-selling Android tablet, and it's up to a whopping 6 times faster than the top-selling Chromebook. They include powerful custom technologies like the Neural Engine for machine learning, like allowing you to instantly transform the color of your photos, or even analyze your tennis game and provide real-time stats like ball speed and body positioning. Altogether, the A12 Bionic takes performance to the next level. Now let's talk about accessories. iPad 8th Gen works with the full-size Smart Keyboard and keyboards from Logitech, like the Combo Touch with Trackpad and the Rugged Combo that's so important for schools. iPadOS 14 makes iPad even more intuitive, fun, and productive because you can get your work done just about anywhere. iPadOS even understands what you write, letting you take quick actions with just a tap. Smart Selection understands the difference between handwriting and drawings, making it easy to select only what you want and paste your handwritten notes as typed text into another app. These powerful handwriting and note-taking features join a host of other new features that continue to push what's possible on iPad. And it all runs beautifully on the new iPad 8th generation. And it starts at just $329. And it's just $299 for our education customers. Customers can order iPad 8th generation today, and it will be available starting this Friday.
We are thrilled to introduce an all-new, completely redesigned iPad Air.
The all-new thin and light enclosure and narrow border design features a beautiful all-screen display. Each element of iPad Air is meticulously crafted, from the precisely machined top button to the sculpted detail around the camera. And the new iPad Air design comes in 5 gorgeous colors, including a new rose gold, green, and sky blue finish. In the same footprint as the previous Air, the new iPad Air features a larger 10.9-inch liquid retina display with a resolution of 2360 by 1640. That's over 3.8 million pixels for extra crisp text and photos. And it has advanced display technologies like full lamination, wide color, true tone, and an anti-reflective coating that combined deliver an amazing visual experience. We designed a next-generation Touch ID and integrated it right into the top button. The technology under the button is really amazing. It uses a sapphire crystal lens and next-generation custom sensor that more efficiently captures the details of a fingerprint. And it uses a faster secure enclave to more quickly authenticate the fingerprint data.
I'm super excited to tell you about the powerful new chip we've built into the new iPad Air. Our latest A-series processor, A14 Bionic. And now with A14, we'll be the first in the industry to use the breakthrough 5-nanometer process technology. We were able to pack 11.8 billion transistors into A14. That's an increase of nearly 40% over our 7-nanometer chip. For A14's powerful new 6-core design, this results in an enormous 40% increase in CPU performance compared to the previous iPad Air. A14 also features our newest GPU architecture, scaled to deliver the maximum sustainable performance at the lowest possible power. Our new 4-core design delivers a 30% increase in graphics performance as well. So for customers using iPad Air for performance-intensive apps like editing 4K videos, creating works of art, or playing immersive games, the incredible performance of A14 can handle them all with ease. By doubling the number of cores to build a 16-core architecture, the neural engine in A14 is capable of executing an amazing 11 trillion operations per second. This increases ML performance by up to 2 times over the previous generation. In addition, our CPU is further optimized with 2nd-generation machine learning accelerators, which come to iPad for the first time, and accelerate the matrix multiplication frequently used in ML computations at up to 10 times faster than the previous Air.
DJ Pro AI is an app that brings all the tools of a professional DJ to iPad. The A14 Bionic allows us to build intelligent features into the app. You touch the record and then you start scratching it. You can actually scratch in the air. It just blows our mind that this is possible now.
Pixelmator Photo is a photo editing app for enhancing photos. The Apple Neural Engine allows us to build functionality we never thought possible. The ML Super Resolution finds individual details, edges, colors, gradients, textures, and it combines it back in an image.
Another great feature we're bringing to iPad Air is USB-C. USB-C increases data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. That's a 10-fold jump in performance over the previous Air. It provides a fast connection to a host of external devices, like cameras, drives, and external monitors up to 4K. The new Air also includes great cameras front and back. The front 7-megapixel FaceTime HD camera supports Smart HDR, improved 1080p video capture, and better low-light performance for really high-quality video calls. And on the back is the same 12-megapixel camera used in the iPad Pro, with focus pixels and a larger aperture to capture incredibly sharp photos and stunning 4K video, enhanced with improved video stabilization. And to elevate the audio experience, we've redesigned the speaker system, providing stereo audio in landscape mode. The new Air also works with our amazing accessories, including Apple Pencil, which attaches magnetically to the side for pairing, charging, and storage, and the beautiful Magic Keyboard. It'll start at $599. It will be available beginning next month.